In this fourth video of the Generative AI series, we will explore practical examples of generative AI and how it's being applied in various fields. Let's have a conversation with ChatGPT, a great example of generative AI. Imagine interacting with a computer that understands your questions and provides insightful responses. ChatGPT can help create a variety of content, including poems, code, scripts, music, emails, and letters. To explore its capabilities, let's see ChatGPT in action. We'll ask it to write a short paragraph about the vibrant diversity of India. Watch as it crafts a captivating piece of text right before your eyes. Isn't that impressive? In just a few moments, ChatGPT generated a coherent and informative paragraph. This showcases its potential as a powerful tool for research, writing, and sparking creativity. DALL-E and Midjourney are revolutionizing art creation through AI. These tools transform text descriptions into vivid, imaginative visuals. Let's see this creative process in action. We'll provide DALL-E with a descriptive prompt, a futuristic version of Taj Mahal surrounded by flying cars. Watch as the AI interprets our words and paints a vibrant visual tapestry. Look at the incredible detail and the way the AI has captured the essence of our prompt. Let's try again. DALL-E and Midjourney aren't just tools. They possess a unique ability to blend human creativity with computational power, resulting in artwork that is both captivating and thought-provoking. Such technology opens up new possibilities for artists, designers, and storytellers. It allows for rapid visualization of ideas and can serve as a powerful brainstorming tool. However, it's important to note that while AI can create impressive images, it's the human touch, the crafting of prompts, and the curation of results that truly brings these creations to life. Lights, camera, AI action. Runway ML is revolutionizing filmmaking and video production. With just a few words typed into a computer, creators can generate stunning video sequences and apply complex visual effects effortlessly. It's like having a Hollywood-level post-production studio at your fingertips. Let's see Runway ML in action. We'll use the prompt time-lapse of Mumbai from day to night. Incredible, isn't it? Runway ML has captured the vibrant energy of Mumbai as it transitions from day to night. The bustling streets, the glowing lights, and the city's skyline come to life in a mesmerizing time-lapse. Runway ML's capabilities extend far beyond time-lapses. It can produce a wide range of visual effects, from subtle enhancements to dramatic stylizations. This technology opens up new possibilities for storytellers across various fields. Filmmakers can bring imaginative scenes to life without the need for expensive sets or locations. Educators can create engaging visual aids for complex topics. Journalists can produce immersive visual stories to complement their reporting. Artists can push the boundaries of visual expression with new tools at their disposal. But as with any powerful tool, it's crucial to approach AI-powered video creation with a sense of responsibility. We must be mindful of the potential for misuse, such as creating deepfakes or spreading misinformation through manipulated videos. By prioritizing ethical considerations and promoting transparency, we can ensure that this technology is used for good. Witness the harmonious blend of technology and music in innovative ways. Introducing Suno, an AI model that composes original music, expanding the horizons of musical creativity. Imagine algorithms crafting melodies and harmonies that evoke emotions, all without human intervention. Suno analyzes extensive musical data, seamlessly merging various styles from classical to contemporary. Let's experience Suno's capabilities with a fusion track that combines Indian classical music with modern elements.
See the strings they weave the night, tapa beats with gentle might. Moonlit sky they fill the air. Close your eyes and feel the flare. Ancient rock flows with ease. Modern synth it joins the breeze. Rhythms blend like stars align. Harmony.
Incredible, right? Suno effortlessly blends Indian classical sounds with contemporary beats, creating a vibrant and dynamic musical experience. This showcases AI's potential to innovate in music. Suno can generate custom soundtracks for films, games, and commercials, adapting perfectly to visuals. Picture a Bollywood film enhanced by an AI-generated score, or a game where the music evolves with your actions. AI is transforming music creation, opening new avenues for exploration. Suno democratizes music composition, making it accessible to anyone passionate about sound. The future of music is a collaboration between human creativity and AI. The future of music is being shaped by AI. AI offers new possibilities for creativity and expression. Imagine concerts adapting in real time to the audience's mood. Personalized playlists evolving with your tastes. AI discovering hidden connections between musical cultures. We must approach AI music composition ethically, finding balance between human ingenuity and technology. Now, let's shift to AI in coding. Meet ChatGPT, your AI-powered coding assistant. It can help you write code efficiently and effectively. Let's see it generate a Python script that creates a simple animation by printing a growing triangle pattern. We'll ask ChatGPT to write a Python script that prints a growing triangle pattern. Watch as it generates the code for us. Here we go. ChatGPT generated a script that prints growing triangle patterns. Each triangle increases in size. This example shows how AI can help with coding tasks, even for beginners. It's not just for complex problems. AI can assist with creative and visual projects too. As we continue to explore AI in coding, we'll discover more ways it can spark our imagination and bring our ideas to life. AI is transforming software development, making it more accessible and efficient. AI could power advanced debugging tools, enhancing software reliability. Embracing AI responsibly can unlock unprecedented productivity and innovation.